Year.
2012?
1011 year.
This is a 2012 Sienna Toyota, and owner says there's a suspension noise, so we're suspecting CV shaft and boots, but CV shaft looks intact on both sides. So now we're looking at the lower control arm bushings, and they're asking me the steering wheel linkage bushings. I'm gonna have to twist these things, but you can see that the CV boots looks intact. No oil leaks. So you can see that this is the lower control arm here. It's hard to tell if these things are bad. I have to take off the tire maybe and get a piece of metal and pry on these things. Cannot tell. Other than that, the car looks good. Pretty dry as a whistle. No oil leaks. Sienna. It has 124,080 miles. The last four VIN is 0370. So can't say anything about the CV shaft or problems or other suspension parts. Can you shake for me? Shake, shake, shake.
Huh?
Pretty stiff there. Okay, over here. Shake, shake. Okay. Engine mount here looks good. The engine mount there looks okay. Oil's pretty clean. Level's good. Everything's good. So test drive time.